Works great, fits perfect and fixed problem. Key now cuts off engine. I bought this after my 1989 Nissan 240SX KA24E wouldn't start anymore. My battery and alternator were working fine, so I replaced the starter and battery cables, but my car still wouldn't start up. I read somewhere that it was common for the ignition switch to go bad on 240s, so I bought this one to replace it and it was a perfect fit. Now my car starts up just fine. This is a perfect fit for a Nissan 240SX, so was not turning on once I replaced the switch. My car turned on. 1994 Nissan pickup, exact replacement of original. No more starting problems. Beck Arnley sells good quality products. Swapping this out was a 5-minute job. It's the correct part. It fit, as it should. It has been working great since installed. About 3 weeks now. Worked great on my 93 Nissan D21. One screw and electrical connection and I'm back in business. Appears same as OEM.